up, y'all? Trucker D here, and we're back at it again. So today, we are heading out to Lowell, Indiana. And then after Lowell, Indiana, we are heading over to the Coldwater Bakery. I tell you, we haven't been this route since we got caught in that snowstorm back on the 80-90 back in February. So we're heading out that way today. I'm not foreseeing any type of snow in the forecast, but expect the unexpected, you know what I'm saying? It's supposed to be around 66, 70, somewhere around there. I'm actually sitting here right now, got both the windows down in the truck. And I'm enjoying this weather. But we're gonna get some footage of the 80-90 without it being a whiteout. It's daytime, so you'll actually get to see the 80-90 and what it actually looks like. I'm not gonna bore you with too much of the footage, but I will throw little bits and pieces of clips here and there. Well, we got our trailer though. They actually came out pretty quick with our load cart today, and we're gonna go get hooked up to it. We got trailer 0779, which is the first one going down to Lowell, Indiana. So let's go hook up to our trailer. We're in truck 674 today. 0673, the fifth wheel's not latching on it, so you can't even hook up a trailer to it right now. When I was down at the terminal yesterday, they gave me a part to bring back to go in the, they brought me a part to bring back that's for the fifth wheel on 673. So hopefully they'll get that one fixed up and we'll be back in it. I'm actually in the truck that I trained in today. Now it's lowering the suspension. Go. That's gonna make for an easy crank on the landing gear. The trailer was nice and low, so it should lift it up just a little bit, take that landing gear off the ground and release that pressure. So I'm gonna get off here. I'll see y'all down in Lowell, Indiana. I'm gonna get out here, do my pre-trip, and hook up this trailer. We'll see you later. passing someone or someone's passing you, you know what, slow down just a little bit. Maybe 2 miles per hour from what you're doing right now. And let that person pass and let them get in front of you. One, you're not holding up traffic while they're trying to pass you. And two, you're not causing a dangerous situation for yourself or for that other driver. But that's just my little rant. Sorry if the camera is a little vibrating. A little vibracious. Yeah. It's bouncing around a little bit. How about we just say that? Alright, y'all. I'll see you down in Lowell. What's up, y'all? So we're down here in Lowell. We're all hooked up, got the trailer pre-tripped, getting ready to head on out of here. We're going to be hitting the 80-90 toll road. We got the speed pass, so it ain't going to cost us a dime. It's going to be daylight this time. And what you're going to have to be dealing with winding snow, and well, trucks are still going to be passing us, but at least we'll be doing the speed limit this time. Unlike last time, I think we only got about maybe 45 miles per hour when it was snowing. But we're going to keep the camera rolling as long as we got daylight going. And our next stop is Coldwater, Michigan. And then we're back to the terminal after that. Or bakery. Whichever. And tomorrow, even though it's our day off, we're running down to Sydney to take truck 673 to get the fifth wheel repaired. So we're going to head on out of here. We'll catch you in Coldwater. See you next time. Later, y'all. Alright, had a little bit of a glitch there. But we'll go ahead and put our card here in the machine. It's just a fuel card that the company gives us. Now I'm going to slide my rewards card so I can get my points. And we're going to go ahead and enter our driver number, which is right on the card. 2002. Next, we're going to enter our mileage, which was, I always forget what the mileage is. I think it was 512,779. 512,779. It's kind of windy out here. Ain't nothing like it was the other day, but alrighty. Well, let me go ahead and set you up right here. I don't know how well you can see. Alright, just our nozzle in the hole. Alright, got that side pumping. Let's go here and run over here to the other side. And this hose is all tangled up. There we go. Look at this side pumping. Alright, y'all. Well, I have to go ahead and finish pumping my gas here. Well, my diesel. I'm sure y'all don't want to watch it. It's kind of a boring little thing. All you gotta do is sit here and pump fuel. Make sure the tank's full. No big deal. So, we're gonna get off here. Close out this video. And we'll see you maybe next time we stop. Might take a little stop at a service center or something, show you around. If not, we'll see you in Coldwater. Later. What's up, y'all? I told you I'd probably see you in a little bit, but essentially I mentioned courtesy in the video earlier. I want to mention courtesy one more time. Right here is what you see other truckers do when they're done fueling up at the pumps. They pull up so they're not sitting in the fuel island. So all you guys out there, that's another act of courtesy. When you're done fueling up from the pump, pull forward, go inside, take care of your business, and get out of the way. I try to be as courteous as I can, being a professional driver and all. So, all I want to see is a little courtesy back. That's all. But with that being said, I'll see y'all later. What's up, y'all? So we're finally hooked up over here at Coldwater. We're getting ready to head on out of here. We're done for the night once we get back to Plymouth. I know I might have mentioned this already, but it looks like I'm going to be driving down to Sydney tomorrow to get another one of our trucks fixed, which I'm pretty sure I already did mention that. But guess what? I'm mentioning it again. I had a decent drive today. 8090 definitely looks different when you can see more of the 8090 and not just a big white blur in front of your windshield. Ran into some traffic over there in 94, getting onto 65 today. But all in all, it's been a good day so far. Just got the final drive. Got plenty of time left on our clock to get there. I'm a little behind schedule now. I was trying to leave out of here by 10 o'clock, but I got to talking to a guy who's been working with the company for about 5 years. He left and then came back. But he says he's still happy here. And I'm still thinking that I chose a pretty good company to start with, because I'm pretty happy here myself. So but yeah, I'm gonna close out this video. I hope y'all have enjoyed everything up to this point. I hope you're still hanging out with me. We got one more destination to record at, because you know me, I gotta jump on here and say a couple words at each stop, just to, you know, keep the video rolling. So I'm gonna put my information in, and I will see y'all back at Plymouth later. What's up, y'all? We're back. We're sitting here in the truck. We're disconnected officially now. We're done for the night. We're getting ready to head on out of here. We've had a good day. Beautiful day for driving, I'll tell you that. Our old 8090 definitely was it was like seeing a whole different road. When you're out here driving and it's cold and snowy, windy, whiteout conditions, the road you're on, especially at the time of night I was on it, compared to being on it today, it was like being on two different roads. I got some footage out there. Hopefully y'all watch the video far enough to see the footage, or actually watch the footage. I know some of you guys fast forward to the footage of the road, and I know others like to watch the footage of the road and probably fast forward through me talking. So either way, I'm sure I'm putting a little bit out there for everybody. While I was out there on the 8090 though today, I noticed that there's this little place called the Pac-Man store or something, and the Pac-Man outlet, I forgot what the name of it was already, but I wonder if it has anything to do with, like, you know, Pac-Man, like packing suitcases, like it looks like a video game store or something, and then you go in there, it's a luggage store. I don't know, crazy stuff runs through my mind when I drive. We had a little bit of issue though, and when we got off of the 8090, right there on Indiana 9, heading into Sturgis. Which, yeah, that's something else I want to mention about. I got to see a different road today. It was Michigan, well, not Michigan Avenue, but it's US 12, which is Michigan Avenue. If everyone that is from around the Metro Detroit area knows it as Michigan Ave. Once you get further west in the state, it's Chicago Road. But I've never been on that half of the road before, and there's little small towns that you drive through. I know I've showed you guys Coldwater and other videos lit up at night and through the day, but I'm gonna always post little towns. I'm gonna throw them in the video. I just like seeing them. You know, I love little towns. My wife, she likes little towns. Can't wait till she can come with me and see the little towns I drive through. When I first started doing this with this company, before I got my camera and everything, there was I ran back and forth between Muncie, Indiana and Sydney, Ohio, and I took some back roads one day, and there was a bunch of cool little towns that I ended up driving through that were all lit up at night. I mean, they all look the same at night too, but they all have their little different techniques of lighting. Also, this little tool right here. It's a little wedge, and it is a lifesaver. We got electrical plugs. It's that green wire. If you look at my other videos, you'll see that there's a green wire that we disconnect and hook up to the trailer from the truck. A lot of times you don't get the greatest connection, and you gotta wedge something in between there to actually get the right connection you need, so all your lights work, your ABS light ain't coming on, and you know, your blinkers, your flashers, and everything work like they're supposed to. So you just gotta kind of wedge it one way or the other. And this thing, it curves right around the plug, and it shoves right up inside there. So it's a nice little tool to have. I mean, whoever came up with this little idea, I'm sure it was a truck driver. You got to be making a fortune off of them, because I paid $8 for this, I think it was, and I'm sure they probably only cost maybe $1 to make at the most, I'm sure. But it hooks right through. There's like little holes on the electrical outlet, and it just slides through the hole and then slips through it and just hooks right on there. You know, I take it out and off there because, I mean, you never know what truck you're going to be in from day to day, and I always carry all my stuff with me anyways. So, but I'm going to hook this back in my backpack real quick before I forget. I just kept it off here because I wanted to talk about it. There we go. Well, y'all, that's the end of our day. Oh, wait, no, one more thing before I do go. I almost forgot. You know, I mentioned courtesy a couple times in this video, and I got one more courtesy tip for y'all. You know, you're out here, I know on 2-lane roads, you're probably used to flashing your bright, or hitting your high beams on and off when you come across traffic. Y'all need to do that when you're out on the highway too. You may be further over from where we are on the other side, and this just goes for everybody, truckers included. Please, when you're coming up on traffic, shut your high beams off. It blinds us over here, and you know, it can cause us to wreck. We're driving these big machines, and we're blinded for that brief second coming up to a sharp curve or something. You know, it could be devastating. So, shut those high beams off. I don't care if you got LEDs, HIDs, the brightest headlights out there. Keep the high beams off when you're coming up on other traffic. And that's all I got to say for courtesy. You know, we're probably going to name this video something along the lines of courtesiness, or I don't know, I'll come up with something along the lines of courtesy. But that's the end of our day. It's been a good day. Everyone out there, please like, share, subscribe, and please be courteous to your fellow drivers. And with that, I'll see y'all next time. Later. So, check this out, y'all. I'm on my way home. I know that's probably, there you go. I'm on my way home right now. I'm trying to get a little bit of fuel. And I come up on, I don't know what the hell's going on, but they told me they're getting ready to open up the road right now. So if I wanted to go ahead and just make a loop around, I could go ahead and do so. So we're going to go ahead and wait for them to open up the road, and we're going to run over here and get some speedway so we have some fuel to get to work tomorrow. See y'all later.